when a guy wants to grab your leg, what you want to do is you want to secure this foot right here to prevent it from riding up. Shove your foot in deep inside. My armpit is my arm right here. I'm moving his head between my legs as I'm doing it, and as I'm shifting sides, this leg is coming up, and as I'm doing so, I'm putting pressure on this area right here. So again, basically giving me your leg. I come in right here, shove it in, reverse triangle. To make it more effective, you can come right here, stretch them out a bit. Sorry.
Okay, do that again from a different angle. I'm going to come this side. Stay there right there, Hansel.
Okay. There's my leg. Coming again.
Pinch on that big time.